Hi everyone, Mrs. Thompson here. Today I'm going to be walking you through drawing a bee for Valentine's Day. Please make sure you put your name on the back of the paper and turn your paper to portrait. That is the direction my paper is right now. Once you have both those things done, please give me a thumbs up so I know you're ready to go. The first step of drawing our bee is going to be two circles, and they're going to be near the top of the paper, so not all the way up, just near the top. And I'm going to make two circles. They should both be bigger than a quarter. They can be the same size or they can be slightly different sizes. Please give me a thumbs up when you have it. The next step is going to be the bee's body. I want to make the body a large oval. I want to start my oval actually between these two eyes. I'm going to connect those two eyes with a curved line. And then I'm going to imagine the oval going through the eye. And I'm going to start back on the other side and draw a very large oval all the way back to the eye. And then I'm going to stop. When you have it, please give me a thumbs up. The next step is going to be the bee's wings. Now, since it's Valentine's Day, I think we should make these wings heart-shaped. So watch me first. The heart is going to be sideways. I'm going to start right about here. I'm going to make a line that looks like a heart. Bring it back to the body. If you have trouble making hearts, you could do your wings a little bit different than mine. And I'm going to do another heart-shaped wing on the other side. After that, we can add two eyes. I'm just drawing the eyes as black dots inside the circles. On the bee's tummy, again, since it's Valentine's Day, I want to draw a heart, because I want to write a special note inside the heart. So I did my best to make a heart. Thumbs up if you have it. The next thing we need is a big smile. We can add two antennae. They're lines from the center between the eyes. They go up and they curl like a spiral. I want to add some lines across the bee. Since bees are usually yellow with black stripes, I want to add some of those stripes in right now. If you want, you could give your bee a stinger, or you could skip that. I'm going to start the stinger with a straight line down. Then I'm going to make a line across the bottom and a letter V to make a pointy stinger. If you have room inside the heart, I want to write B mine. I'm going to add a few more details inside the wings. And maybe around the back I could make some hearts as well. If you want, you could draw some more bees in the background. So I'm going to make the same bees, but just a little bit smaller. And there you have it, your bee for Valentine's Day.